This is a room that was added on to a patio. Siding out there, direct ground contact, window air conditioning unit. That this room was added, these two rooms were added, that's the master bedroom window, and no longer serves as egress. This is the number 1 bedroom window. It no longer serves as egress. This used to be, at one time, this was the exterior. All these room additions have wrecked the egress to those 2 bedrooms. Federal Pacific breaker box, plenty of problems there. Need to be replaced. Double lugging neutrals, paint inside of the cabinet, wires touching. Fed pack kind of says it all. These windows are broken in this doorway. It's missing hardware. Apparently it's suffered a little bit of distress.